Hello children, today we will discuss about strength of acidic and basic solution. If we talk about strength of acidic or basic solution, it is determined on the basis of its ability to undergo ionization. Here we can see it is written the acidic, basic or neutral solution can be ascertained on the basis of ionization, right? If we keep the reference of water molecule, water ionizes to a very small extent. Ionization, I hope you people know. Ionization means ability of a compound to split into ions. Clear? The concentration of hydronium, H3O plus means hydronium ions aqueous and hydroxyl ion aqueous in pure water is found to be 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Clear? Here it is written that the concentration term, I hope people know, concentration means quantity. In a very simple way, quantity. So if you talk about quantity of H3O plus means hydronium ion and OH minus ion in water is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter as it is written here. Clear? This means that all aqueous solution contain both H3O plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous ions. And the product of concentration of these ions is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole square liter minus 2 at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. This is known as ionic product of water. So let us understand what is ionic of water. Clear? What is ionic product of? Okay, as I told you all, water molecule, here I am writing water molecule undergo ionization to form, this is called as automatic ionization of water molecule, H plus OH minus ion. Water molecule undergo splitting to form H plus and OH minus ion. We all know this H plus ion cannot exist independently. That's why immediately it forms a coordinate bond with water molecule and forms H3O plus. That's why whenever we write H plus ion, we write in the form of hydronium ion H3O plus. Okay. So here as it was written on the note that pure water molecule contain very less amount of H plus and OH minus ion, and it was written that total concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in water molecule is 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Mole per liter is unit for concentration here. Okay. We were trying to understand about ionic product of water. Later on it was written that this concentration represents the ionic product of water, Kw. Ionic product of water Kw is equal to concentration of H plus. Whenever we represent concentration, we include H plus into the bracket. So ionic product of water Kw, ionic product of water, is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus ion in water. Concentration of H plus was 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter into concentration of OH minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. So when you will multiply, you will get 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Mole into mole square into liter. per liter, 2 liter means liter to the power minus 2. So ionic product of water is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole square into liter minus 2. Right? I hope you people understood ionic product of water. Now term is to understand pH. Okay, pH here, P stand for potence, German word potence, right, which means power, right, and H stand for hydrogen ion concentration, hydrogen ion concentration. Power to hydrogen ion is called as pH. Clear? Mathematically, pH is defined as negative log base 10 to the power H plus concentration. It means pH can be negative logarithm of log base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Clear? Negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is defined as pH. Is defined as pH. Right? Let us understand pH with the help of this note. See, a Danish chemist, biochemist in 1909 devised a scale known as pH scale, which represents the hydronium ions concentration of the given aqueous solution. So what pH represent? pH represent hydrogen ion concentration of a given aqueous solution. How much H plus ion, I mean hydronium ion, H3O plus ion, is present in aqueous solution, that is determined with the help of pH. The P in the pH stand for potence, as I told you all. Okay, we can underline it here, we can underline, we can highlight it, sorry. We can highlight again it. Okay, then we have to change a little bit. The P in the pH stand for potence in German, meaning power. So pH means the power of hydrogen, the power of hydrogen. Clear? Power of hydrogen. No, it is okay. Okay, so the P in pH stand for potence in German, meaning power. So pH means power of hydrogen. This you can make in your note. Whatever note is required, that I will highlight here, that you can you people can make it into the note. Okay. Okay, here definition of pH is given. The pH of a solution is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in mole per liter. I hope it is visible to you all. Okay. The pH of a solution is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration expressed in moles per liter. So mathematically pH is log base 10 1 by H plus. Here minus log base 10 to the power H plus concentration. When you will put this H plus on the upside, minus sign will come here. Clear? Here one numerical is given. Sometimes numerical is also asked in examination. A solution of H plus ions of concentration equal to 10 to the power minus 12 moles per liter will have pH 12. How it is so? Let's see. That is, pH is equal to log base 10 1 by H plus concentration. Concentration of H plus is given here 10 to the power minus 12 mole per liter. Put the value. So log base 10 into 1 by 10 to the power minus 12. This 10 to the power minus 12 is the value for H plus concentration. Clear? Now log base 10 to the power 10 to the power 12. Clear? Here 12 you can put on the other side. So 12 into log base 10 to the power 10. Always remember, log base 10 to the power 10 is having the value of 1 always. More oftenly this value will come and you have to remember it. So log base 10 to the power 10 is equal to 1. So 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Okay. Let's see. I will solve. People will be able to understand it easily. Okay. Let's see. Suppose another numerical I am giving you all. A solution is containing H plus ion 10 to the power minus 9 mole per liter. Mole per liter. So what will be the pH for this solution? If a solution is containing H plus concentration 10 to the power minus 9 moles per liter. So pH for this solution, let's see. pH is equal to log base 10 into 1 by H plus concentration is the formula. Clear? So now come. pH is equal to log base 10 into 1 by, what is the value of H plus concentration? 10 to the power minus 9 moles per liter. Clear? Now this 10 to the power 9 we can invert on the upside. So pH is equal to log base 10 to the power 10 to the power 9. Okay. Now 9 you can put on this side. So 9 log base 10 to the power 10 we got here. Since log 10 to the power 10 is equal to 1, so 9 into 1 is equal to 9 is the pH for the solution. So here pH for this solution is 9. And if the solution is having pH value 9, it indicates the solution is alkaline in nature. Alkaline in nature. Because if we talk about pH scale, let us understand pH scale. pH scale start from, this is pH scale, and it start from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. Right? If a solution is having pH 7, it is said to be neutral solution. This condition is neutral condition for a solution. If a solution have pH value 7, means solution is neutral, neither acidic nor basic in nature. Clear? Now you can see here below 7. If it is below 7, we are talking about 0 to below 7. The characteristic of the solution will be acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. While if it is beyond 7 and up to 14, the solution will be alkaline in nature. Alkaline means basic in nature. Alkaline means basic in nature. Clear? So if a solution have pH 7 neutral, below pH 7 up to 0, acidic in nature. If it is beyond 7 up to 14, alkaline in nature, basic in nature. In earlier numerical what we got, pH value was 9. It means the solution was alkaline in nature. Alkaline in nature because it comes under the range of 7 to 14. Right? I hope you people understood about pH. Clear? And if numerical will come, easily you people can solve. Here briefly given, the number 7 on the pH scale represents the neutral of the solution. Here pH scale is given. Normal pH scale range from 0 to 14. Okay. Here given if it is 7 neutral, below 7 You can see here 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Acidic character is increasing. And this side from 7 to 14, alkaline nature of the solution is increasing. Alkaline nature is increasing. Right? This scale you have to draw in your copy. You have to draw in your copy. I am highlighting it here. Clear? This is pH scale. pH scale you can draw in your copy. Normal pH scale. Clear? The number 7 on the pH scale represents the neutrality of the solution. Neutrality of the solution means solution will be neutral if pH value is 7. Number less than 7, that is pH 6, 5, 4 and so on, indicates that acidic nature is increasing as the number decreases. On the other hand, numbers greater than 7, that is pH 8, 9, 10, showing the alkalinity of the solution. And alkalinity frequently increases as we moves from 7 to 14. Okay. In a colorless liquid, a reasonably accurate pH value can be obtained by adding a universal indicator. So let us understand what is indicator. I hope you people know about indicator. In the previous classes, I have told you all about indicator. Indicator is a substance. In a very short way, I am explaining. Indicator is generally a substance which indicates whether a solution is acidic or alkaline in nature. Whether a solution is acidic or alkaline in nature. There are two types of indicator. Natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Natural and synthetic indicator. One more type of indicator is given here. Universal indicator, don't be confused. Okay, some different concept is associated with universal indicator. Okay, so this part, universal indicator, natural indicator and synthetic indicator, I will tell you all in the next class. So thanks.